Hello, I'm Doug Watches. Welcome to the Locksmith DVD training program. The subject of this course is how to drill a lock cylinder when picking is not an option. The ability to drill a lock virtually guarantees entry into a building. Lock manufacturers are continually making their locks more difficult to pick. This is usually done with the use of anti-pick pins such as T-pins, mushroom pins, or barrel pins. After the presentation on drilling locks, we will look at various tools and techniques used to bypass locks. After completing this course, you should be able to list the basic tools used to drill a lock, explain the process of drilling a lock, explain how to drill a lock and save the bottom pins for decoding, explain how to drill through the retainer bolts of a deadbolt, explain the basic process of putting a drilled lock back into service, explain how to drill an ace or tubular lock, explain how to use the underdoor tool, explain how to use the Ben Jim Smart Lock tools, explain how to use the Brockage Quickset tool, explain how to use the Leashy tool for the basic Schlage locks, explain how to use the flip bolt bypass tool, explain how to bypass a mortise cylinder, explain how to use the Sparrow's push bar tool, explain how to use a lock puller, explain how to bypass a dead latch, explain how to cut a lock bolt, and explain how to bypass a garage door opener. This course is divided into 11 parts. Part 1 is tools, Part 2 is drilling a Schlage deadbolt, Part 3 is drilling a quickset deadbolt, Part 4 is drilling retainer bolts, Part 5 is repairing or replacing a drilled lock, Part 6 is to drill an ace or tubular lock, Part 7, bypass tools and techniques, Part 8, bypass the dead latch, Part 9, cut the bolt, Part 10, garage door opener bypass, and Part 11, review and suggested practice. Okay, as far as tools needed to drill a lock with, the main thing we're going to need is a good drill. I recommend a high-speed drill. I like DeWalt, but the other brands of drills that are out there that are good manufacturers that you're familiar with are probably just as good. But I would check the RPM on the drill because I always have better luck with getting the job done quicker with a high-speed drill. Now to go along with that, we're going to need some drill bits, and again I tend to favor the DeWalt bit. I just keep some of these in my van all the time, the 1/8 inch and the 3/16. The 1/8 inch in particular is normally all we need. Sometimes we need a 3/16 and sometimes a larger bit, but usually the 1/8 inch bit's all we're going to need. We're going to need a punch of some type to make a spot there to punch our starting point for our drill. You're going to need I like to use a key extractor. You could use a hook pick or something else to pull the loose bits of metal back out of the spot that we're going to drill. But any tool like that will work. We're going to need a big strong screwdriver and a pair of channel locks. And that should be all we need to drill most locks with. Please take just a moment to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.